Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 116. Today we take a quick look at a collection of PDF tools called PDF Candy. PDFcandy.com is a sweet and simple website that does almost everything you could want for PDF files, and it's free. If you can't afford to rent your copy of Adobe Acrobat for $13 to $15 a month, you might need PDF Candy. When you go to the website, you'll see a variety of icons to indicate what it can do, and well, that's about it. Let's take a look at some of my favorites just to get into the details a little bit. First, you have the ability to convert multiple files of a specific type into a PDF. For example, let's say you want to do a PNGs to PDF. Now when you choose this, it's going to look like you can only do PNGs, but it's really any image type. So if I chose JPG or BMP to PDF, they basically work the same way. So you can add files simply by dragging and dropping them. Or you can add more files with the menu. Or you can even add more files from Dropbox or Google Drive. Once you get files in here, you can reorder them in any way you want. You can then take a better look at those files. You can also adjust the size of the paper, the orientation for all the pages, and the margins. When you're happy, just hit convert. It usually makes you wait about 15 seconds, which is a really small price to pay for this. They do offer to sell you PDF Candy Desktop for Windows. I will tell you that you get 2 free conversions with that software, and then you have to pay. It's about $30, but it's a one-time fee, and then you own it. And you have an unlimited amount of converting without having to upload any of your files to the cloud here. Having said that, I would not put sensitive files up here on PDF Candy. I would only use this for products that are not that sensitive. But there it is. You can then download the file right there, or go ahead and put it into your Google Drive or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and download it. All right, and there's my PDF, and you'll see that it's got multiple pages to it. That was easy. Let's take a look at something else. You'll notice that it also does DOCX to PDF, Word to PDF, things like that, and also converts the other way around. You can take a PDF file and make it into a Word document. Now, I will say that if you do DOCX to that, it says add file. So it's a single file. You can't do multiple files here. If you drag and drop a single file to this, it will automatically start converting it. So if I drag over this Glide Apps doc, it's going to go ahead and start making that into a PDF without me being able to put more documents into the queue. If you've only got one document you're going to convert, you're probably better off just opening it in Microsoft Word and saying save as PDF, or if you're in Google Docs, just go into File and download as a PDF. You're better off that way. But what if you've got multiple documents and you do need to make them all into a single PDF? What do? Well, PDF Candy has an option for that as well. It's called Merge PDF. Well, Merge PDF would allow me to drag and drop multiple files here, and each of those files could be then reorganized in the order that I want them to. So this is 48 pages, this is 2 pages, this is 30 pages, put them in the order that I want, and then merge those files as one. You could export individual files as needed, get them all into PDF, and then make a PDF packet from all those that you need to do. Split PDF does the same thing, except it takes one file that you've got and lets you go in there and split it at the point that you'd like it to be. So you could deselect the pages that you don't want in your PDF and cut out certain pages from that. And when you're happy, split the PDF, and it will split it into single page files or split by page ranges. So you would have, in this case, one file for this range, another file for this range, or you could say merge all these selected pages into one. Another option would be to delete any selected pages that are there. Finally, you might want to take a PDF that has a lot of graphics in it, and you may want to extract these graphics out of a PDF. What if I wanted to take just the images out of here, but I didn't want to do a lot of selecting and screenshotting and stuff like that? I just wanted to get them all out at one time. Well, believe it or not, it can do that too. All you have to do is scroll down and look at where it says extract images, select that, drag and drop your file that you'd like that's image heavy, give it a moment to upload, give it a moment to extract all of these files into a zip file, and there you go. So we'll download this file. It will be a zip file. It may be a fairly large file because these are now uncompressed, but usually not much bigger than the PDF itself. And then if I right click on the file, I can use my favorite unzipping program, whether it's Windows core stuff or it's 7-zip or whatever else to extract these files. They'll usually extract into a single folder, and then when I go in there and open it, there are each of the separate images as individual files, like little stars or borders or things like that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.